As the years go by, it's normal to notice a decline in vision, which makes everyday tasks increasingly challenging. Whether it's wearing corrective lenses, having undergone laser surgery, or simply noticing that your vision isn't as sharp as it once was, many of the available solutions don't address the real cause of vision problems. For millions of people, this loss of vision is not just an inconvenience, but can lead to a loss of independence and even serious accidents. The good news? There's an innovative discovery that could change the way we care for our vision, and it's backed by scientific research. This discovery is about an ancient plant, known as the tree of life, that has been used for centuries for its incredible health benefits. And the best part is that, according to recent studies from renowned universities like Yale and Johns Hopkins, it can restore and improve vision in a completely natural way with no side effects. In just 7 days, you could notice a significant difference. What you need to know is that, while many people turn to temporary solutions like corrective lenses or expensive surgeries like LASIK, these options only mask the symptoms without addressing the underlying cause of vision problems. Additionally, surgeries like LASIK come with risks and often require costly touch-ups. Glasses and contact lenses are a daily necessity for many, but they don't tackle the real problem of vision loss. The good news is that there is a simple 12-second morning ritual using the Tree of Life that can improve your vision naturally. No need for surgery or expensive contact lenses. This ritual, proven by medical research, can restore vision in just 1 week and also improves the immune system and memory. Studies from Yale University, Johns Hopkins, and other respected medical centers confirm the benefits. Dr. Charles Williams, a doctor with over 15 years of experience, also used this solution and regained his vision. And the best part is that it has helped people of all ages. So why are more people losing their vision today? The answer lies in modern life. More time spent in front of screens, poor diet, and the rise of diseases like diabetes and autoimmune disorders are contributing to this epidemic of vision impairment. But now we have a solution that targets the root causes of vision loss, without the need for invasive procedures or expensive treatments. If you're tired of relying on glasses or expensive surgeries, it's time to try this natural and scientifically proven method to restore your vision. Don't waste any more time with temporary solutions. Start improving your vision now with this simple morning ritual.